Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique idea. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. So come closer to me and watch this video with full considerations. I'm sure you will not lose your time. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bottle cover. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Don't forget to press bell icon button. And also if you like this video, please share this video also so that your friends can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting a bottle cover can offer numerous benefits, both practical and creative. Here are some advantages of crocheting bottle cover. Insulations helps maintain the temperature of beverage, keeping drinks cold or warm longer. Customization personalize design, color, and patterns to match your style or occasion. Grip provides a better grip, reducing the chance of dropping the bottle. Protection shields bottle from scratches, dents, and other damages. Eco-friendly encourages the use of reusable bottle, reducing plastic waste. Creativity engage your creative side, allowing for unique artistic expression. Mindfulness the repetitive motion of crocheting can be meditative and relaxation. Skill development improves crochet skill and techniques over time. Gifting this one also the main point which I'm always telling you in my every video. If you have any of your special friends and you have great love with him and you want to give him some special gift so that he can remember that gift for a long time, we have very special idea for you. If you know crocheting, it will be very well. But if you don't know crocheting, no problem, don't worry about that. We have very nice solution for that. Just make a contact with the guy who know crocheting and order him to make a beautiful bottle cover for your special friend. I'm sure if you give that special gift to your special friend, he will remember that gift for a long time. Makes a thoughtful and handmade gift for friends and family. Conversation starter. Unique design can spark conversation with others. Storage can be made with pockets for holding small items like keys or cash. Fashion accessories adds a trendy and stylish elements to everyday item. Durability often more durable than plastic or paper alternatives. Dear viewer, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful bottle cover video. Lightweight adds minimal weight to your bottle while providing benefits. Variety can be made in countless styles to suit different occasions or seasons. Crafting community. Joining crochet groups can foster friendship and a sense of community. Therapeutic can be reduce stress and anxiety through the claiming act of crafting. Sustainable materials can be made from natural fibers, promoting sustainability. With happy ending today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching.